அதெல்லாம் எடிட் பண்ணிக்கலாமா?
Compartments like AI, machine learning, 5G, which makes our life easier.
Oh, making it easier. You already have everything easier. Start with the simple fact. Patients stay in hospital for a few days. Nursing students stay in hospital for 4 years.
Oh, please. Patients are not here who are not coming with their